Question number 35. The diagram shows a cell with internal resistance connected in parallel with a fixed resistor. There is an R, there is a small r, this is what it is. The resistance of the variable resistors decrease. So you are decreasing this one here. So which means this potential will also decrease. Okay. Now what is this potential called as? Terminal potential difference, which you can measure here also. Or I can now say V is equal to E minus, if this is I and this is, let us say, Ix over here, this would be I dash, E minus I dash into R. Okay. What happens to the potential difference V across the resistor and the current I in the variable resistor? What happens to the potential difference V? What is he decreasing here? He is decreasing this value of R. When you decrease this value of R, if R decreases, then automatically your potential difference V will also decrease here. Potential difference will also decrease over here. If potential decreases over here, but you know this potential that you measure here and the potential difference that you measure here should be the same. So what will happen? If R decreases, V will decrease. So I will increase. So that, okay, what will happen? The terminal potential difference remains the same over here. Okay, so therefore the value of I will increase, and thus the answer should be V decreases and I should increase. Answer is B. Okay, if you did not understand, just put your comments on the comment box so that I can make a new video which describes using some number values and using some equations. Thank you.